Hey guys, R4GE VipeRzZ here, and today I'm going to show you how you can disable the internet search that appears in the search bar in Windows 10. So for example, at the minute, if we click in the search bar and we enter something such as Bing, as you can see it shows web results. So to disable the web results, we're going to have to edit the Windows registry. So as a result of this, I would recommend that you do back up your registry before you make any changes to it. A link to a video on how to do that will be in the description. So the first thing we need to do is we need to open up the registry editor. So to do that, we're going to click in the search bar and we're then going to type reg edit. And then we're going to open the registry editor up, and we're then going to open up H key current users. Then we're going to open up software. Then we're going to open up Microsoft. Then we're going to open up Windows. Then we're going to open up current version. And then we need to find a file named search. So now we've found the search file, we then need to select the search file, and then we need to check if we have any of the following files. So these files are BingSearchEnabled, AllowSearchToUseLocation, and CortanaConsent. Now if you have any of the following files I just mentioned, then you won't need to create them, but as you can see I don't have any of those files. So what we're going to do is we're just going to create these files. So to do that, we're going to right click in the blank space, and then we're going to come to new, and then we're going to click dword 32-bit value, and then we're going to name this file BingSearchEnabled, and then we're going to press enter, and then again we're going to right click new and then dword 32-bit value, and then this time we're going to name it AllowSearchToUseLocation, and then we're going to press enter, and then we're going to make the third file, so again new dword 32-bit value, and then this time we're going to name the file CortanaConsent, and then we're going to press enter. So now we're just going to check that these three new files that we've created have a value set to 0. And there we go, they're all set to 0. Now if you already have these files, all you need to do is just double click on them and change the value to 0. And then you need to restart your computer, and then the search should be disabled. So if I just restart the computer. Right, so now I've restarted the computer. If again I come to the search bar and I type Bing, as you can see we no longer get web results, so we have now successfully disabled it. So guys, that's going to be the end of the video. If you liked it, don't forget the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. Subscribe for more content like this, and I'll see you another time. Bye.